Our society is moving forward at a rapid pace, and this has led to a wonderful interconnectivity on the global scale. However, balancing against these achievements is also a concern. We should be concerned about the potential for disease outbreaks which can occur from any place at any time, and we need to make sure that we have the necessary tools to combat and control these so that we can continue to advance as a society. NanoPin has a solution to meet these new threats and be able to combat them effectively and efficiently. NanoPin's diagnostic platform provides quantified results rapidly and accurately that allow doctors and healthcare providers to most effectively treat patients. We will be able to tell them not just if the disease is present, but also how severe it is. Is the disease changing over time? And how good is that treatment regimen that they're taking?
In my first 2 years as a junior faculty, we just work as other the faculty, keep focusing on the publication and the grant application. Until I attended the conference, the organizer also invited the very special group composed by all children. They're all HIV positive. So when I look at their young face, I was totally shocked, and I keep thinking how I can help you, how I can use my 30 years of experience in academic and also all the background to help even only one of them. Tuberculosis is the top killer for all HIV-infected patients. So in another word, TB will threaten their life all the time. Early diagnose the TB disease in this population is very critical if we want to use the current technology, and it's very easy for us to miss the active TB from the HIV-infected patients. You know, each year there's 5 million people diagnosed, but there's 1/3 population of them was not diagnosed by any detection tool and what we have on the market. And so that's a very critical to have the sensitive diagnostic IC to identify any type of TB. We're aiming to develop a blood-based technology and independent of bacterial isolation, which means we can overcome all the barriers caused by the current technology, and we can capture the antigen from your blood and analyze your peptide specific to TB and offer the sensitive diagnosis result. But now the platform has been validated using thousands of patient samples, including the different type of cohorts, and it has showed a very powerful diagnostic capability. The antigen blood test is not only important for tuberculosis diagnosis, it can also be applied to the other diagnoses. For example, we recently applied the technology to Ebola diagnosis. We can also differentiate the different Ebola strains. We have received a lot of interest from the worldwide, including the several WHO-related organizations like FIND, FIND, and Stop TB, and other the institute from Italy, from South Africa, and Dominican Republic, Vietnam, China, and the US.
As we take this technology from the research stage into the market, NanoPin will initially focus on tuberculosis, which the World Health Organization continues to designate as a global health priority. After that, NanoPin will have a versatile platform that will allow us to effectively combat both known and unknown diseases with quantified results, real treatment monitoring, and optimized patient care. The commercialization of our technology will give healthcare providers combating infectious diseases more information than they've ever had before. Our rapid response platform will give World Health Organizations the tools they need to cost-effectively combat the next major contagion and ultimately save lives.